A very good morning to you children. I hope you all are fine and at the same time you are enjoying yourselves. Of course indoors only, because you know that you have to remain indoors to keep yourself safe and healthy. So keep enjoying, but at the same time do take good care of your health also. So children, in today's activity class we are going to learn about the technique of story writing. We all love stories, isn't it? We all love to hear stories. Now let us learn how we can develop or how we can write a story. Now there are many ways in which we can use the technique of story writing, because story writing can be done in many ways. Sometimes we can make a story out of just a given title. Sometimes the opening line of the story may be given and we can write a complete story out of that. But today I am going to teach you the most simplest way of writing story, and that is using the outlines which are given to us. We will use those outlines and then we will write up a story. Now here you can see on your screens I have displayed the outlines of a story. Let me read out, because after listening to these outlines you can definitely develop a story in your mind. It's going to cater to your creativity, and then you can write up a story on your own. So salt seller has a donkey, carries salt bags to market every day, cross a stream on the way. One day donkey falls into the stream. Salt dissolves in water, bags light, donkey very happy, plays same trick every day, drops bags into stream, light load. Salt seller decides to teach donkey a lesson, puts cotton bags on donkey's back, falls into stream. Cotton bags become very heavy, cannot carry. Donkey learns a lesson. And we have been given a moral also, that we have to do your work with honesty. So this story is based on the thought that we should do our work honestly. Now let us see. If you have listened to the outlines carefully, then definitely a story has been developed in your minds, isn't it? So I will speak up the story, I will tell you this story, I will narrate you the story, so that this complete story is clear to you, and then you can write the stories in your own words. Now this story tells us that there was a salt seller who has a donkey. Now every day he used to put bags of salt on donkey's back and took them to markets. So every day the donkey carries salt bags to the market. On the way they had to cross a stream. Now one day the donkey accidentally falls into the stream. Now as donkey fell into the stream, the salt from the bags dissolves in water. So we all know that salt dissolves in water. So the bags had salt and that salt dissolved in water. Due to this, the bags became light. Now the donkey was very happy because his load was reduced. So he plays the same trick every day. Daily he drops the bags into the stream. His load became light, and then he carried the light load to the market. This carried on for a few days, but the salt seller came to know the donkey's trick. So the salt seller decides to teach donkey a lesson. One day he puts cotton bags on the donkey's back. Unlike every day, the donkey falls into the stream. But this time there was no salt, it was cotton. So cotton absorbs water. Cotton absorbs water and the cotton bags became very heavy. Now the donkey's load was heavier than before. He was unable to carry it. So now the donkey learns a lesson. Therefore, the lesson that donkey learns is that do your work with honesty. Whatever work was given to him, he was supposed to do his work with honesty. So children, I have showed you the outlines. I have narrated you the complete story. But you will be writing this story on your own. This work you can do in your green English files. And there is one more part of this, that you have to give a suitable title also. So you have to give this story a heading also. It can be any heading: the salt seller and a donkey, the clever donkey, the clever salt seller, anything of that sort. And then from these outlines you have to write the same story but in your own words. And if possible, you can draw a related picture also, if you can, on the plain side of your file. And on the ruled side, you can write up the story in your own words. Till then, have a nice day.